private corporation that sits a few blocks away from here, New Hampshire Avenue in Washington, D.C., that is run by former chair of the Democratic National Committee and the former chair of the Republican National Committee.
One is the biggest lobbyist for the gaming industry. The other is a lobbyist as well. Both Frank Fahrenkopf and Kirk they were producers, so they decided which candidates the voters could see. And their sponsors were Anheuser-Busch, U.S. Airways, corporations. Can you imagine how much an American corporation would want Ralph Nader on that stage?
They set criteria that says you have to have 15% of the measure of support measured by the average of 5 different national polls.
But if what we're picking is a poll number, then what we're in effect saying is, we'll allow you in the debates if we think you're a factor in the election. And so in an election in which now the Gore world wants to say, Ralph Nader lost the election for us, I guess he must have been a factor in the election. But you said he couldn't be in the debates because he wasn't a factor in the election.
You had, polls showed 2/3 of the American people wanted him in the debates.
Well, because Ralph Nader speaks to issues that the other 2 candidates are ignoring. Both candidates are pro-death penalty, for instance.
To look at which issues concern the American public. Fairly broad swath of them were not being covered in the debates, as far as we can tell.
And why weren't they? Because the Rothschilds own all the corporations. And they don't want what they indicate is peace. They try to disguise that they're looking for peace. They don't care. They care about money. They're on the external power agenda. All for one, one for all, and forget the rest.